This bread tastes amazing and it's made almost entirely of lentils. So it's gluten-free, super high in protein, and super healthy. I'm gonna show you how to make it. Hi, I'm Dr. John, but you can just call me John. So I'm gonna show you this amazing, healthy bread recipe that, well, it's not even bread. It's made entirely of lentils and a little bit of almond or coconut flour. It's very neutral in flavor, and it's because of that, it's very versatile. So you could have peanut butter jam sandwich or make garlic bread, really whatever you want to use the bread for, any sort of sandwiches. It's fantastic. So I'm going to show you how to make it, and somewhere I'm going to post the nutrient profile of it, per slice, because this is super protein rich, just because it's mostly lentils. So what we're going to do first, these have been soaked overnight. So 1 cup of lentils, red lentils, soaked in 2 cups of water. So we're just going to put everything in, water and the lentils. Once we've added those to the blender, you could blend this up a little bit if you don't have a very powerful blender. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add, I have a 1/4 cup of almond flour. You could use coconut flour. Then it's 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and then half a teaspoon of salt. So we're just going to add that in there. We'll just blend this up a little bit. Before I finish blending it, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of oil. This is just like a canola oil, but you could use really any type of oil. So we'll do 3 tablespoons of this. So now we're going to finish blending this up. That's all there is to it. Here I have a bread pan that I've lined with parchment paper. That took me a whopping 30 seconds to do. So we're going to pour this in here. I'm just going to... Spatulas are amazing, and it's important to have a good spatula technique to get everything out. Okay. And that's all there is to it. Now we're going to bake this for 45 minutes at 350. Alright, so we're just putting this in here. So it's been 40 minutes total. We're going to grab the parchment paper, lift it up and out. I'm going to separate it. And see how it's doing. Perfect. Now it's still a teeny bit squishy. So what I'm going to do is put it in for a few more minutes now that it's out of the bread pan. And so let's just take a look here. So it's pretty solid, pretty good. We're just going to cook it up a little bit more, because if I touch the inside, it's just a little bit soft. Alright, the bread should be done. Alright, so here's the finished product. Let's slice it up and maybe make a little peanut butter jam sandwich. Alright, so I'm going to make an old favorite of mine that I used to eat a lot of is a peanut butter jam sandwich. Got some sugar-free jam here and some peanut butter. And so this is really nice and fluffy. Nice texture here. Got the bread. Put some of this sugar-free jam on. And some of this peanut butter. Make a little sandwich. Of course, it's skinnier than your regular bread. But, terrific. Alright, so I hope you try the bread out. It's definitely a tasty change to switch things up. Remember, get the 6 aspects of health every single day. That's earth, air, fire, water, work, and rest. This is all about the aspect of earth. Earth is what we eat, where it comes from, how we chew it, how we prepare it. Everything to do with our nutrition. So, here, I'm going to go and eat my peanut butter and jam lentil bread. Have a good one. See you in the next video.